Hi everyone, this is Anna from Hot Option Babe and OptionsBlackboard.com. Here's a chart of palm that I have gone over in the previous video, and what I want to do was pull up the trade that we did. The second trade after the earnings trade was a week later. Going back to the chart, this is where we did our bear put spread, and we bought the debit of the spread for 61 and we sold it for 143. So that's more than doubling your money, which is fantastic. So then we closed it out after 3 days in the chat room. So we took our profit, and there was some chatter about something maybe happening with palm. So next thing you know, that looking at the chart, there's a bull flag starting to form. So I immediately get onto the options platform, and I start looking at the different spreads. I know that I can't do a straight call or straight put because the IV is so high. So even the IV on the debit spreads are huge. I mean, 146%, 128% on the put side. That's incredibly high, and so you don't want to buy that. You want to sell volatility. So you want to sell that spread, and that is a credit spread. So what I did is I chose the April because I'm going to work off theta and I'm going to work off vega, which is volatility. So I sold the $5 right here, and I bought the $4 for protection, both strikes in April. And as you can see, what I did it for was 65 cents on Wednesday. We closed it out yesterday for 25 cents. It could have gotten a couple pennies cheaper, but we closed it out for 25 cents right here. Now the risk graph on this, I will show you. This is what we bought it at, the 65. So you take your credit, and since you're buying it back, you have to buy it back as a debit. You minus the 2, and you have a profit of 40 cents. That's 200% per contract. I do a default of 1 so you can actually see, make it easier for everybody, because if you have to choose your own personal preference of contracts depending on what size your portfolio is. Here's the risk graph. Okay, it doesn't look as juicy as the debit spread that we did, but that's how credit spreads work. So but I really like credit spreads because you're working off two things. You're working off direction, and you're working off sideways movement. So you can capture theta and vega. So that was another successful trade with palm, and I wanted to share that with you. So I hope you all enjoyed that video, and we'll see you later. Have a great day.